Hello, everyone. Once again, we are back to covering these units in the textbook. Now, the last time we covered a unit, it happened to be Unit 10. So, and we kind of finished on page 86, but it didn't turn out very good. So just have another look at this and be sure that you have a chance to practice it again. All right, so we're just going to move on now to the next page that we're going to cover, and that happens to be page 89 because we're skipping the pair worked pages. So we're going to look at some more grammar issues or grammar points. This has to do with using a comparative with what's called an intensifier. So let's have a look at the example or examples. My cell phone is smaller than your cell phone. Okay? My car is bigger than your car. My chair is blacker than your chair. Well, you can add these little, what are known as intensifiers in this case, to the comparative adjectives. So look at the change here. My cell phone is a little smaller than your cell phone. My car is faster than yours. My car is a lot faster than yours. I don't think this is going to be too difficult for you guys. Just add a lot, a little, much, a bit, just in front of the comparative adjective. These old jeans are more comfortable than my new ones. These old jeans are much more comfortable than my new ones. And my laptop is heavier than yours. My laptop is a bit heavier than yours. Okay, let's take a look at the examples. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sure to check the check mark so that you can, or push it, so that you can see what the answers are. And I'll go back to previous units where I may have forgotten to do that. So number one, these bags, and this is where it gets scrambled. Cheaper the are much than others. And then, but they, convenient, more, are, much. What do you think? So these bags are much cheaper than the others. But, okay, no, B, C. It's probably because they're, what's that say? As the sale? On the sale? Well, we're going to get the answer here. It's hard to see that, actually. It looks strange. They are in the sale? That doesn't make any sense. Oh boy, maybe there's a problem here with the person who edited this. It doesn't seem right. Once again, let's go back. These bags are much cheaper than the others. It's probably because they're on sale. That's what it should say, not in the sale. That's odd. Boy, I hope that's the only strange one. I would say it's probably because they're on sale. Okay, number two, this new laptop than a lot my old is lighter one. So what I want you to do here is try to unscramble that one, unscramble number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Unscramble the responses A, B, C, D, E, and F, and then choose the correct response. So number 1, the correct response is C. All right, so do that on your own. Now I'm going to check it so you can check your answers. There we go. There you have the answers and the unscrambled question or comment. Okay, number 3. Clothes and personal items. So use these words. There is one extra. So we have jewelry, shampoo, umbrella, watch, sweater, soap, and backpack. So you might take this on a short trip. Backpack. A ring is an example of this. You know what that is, right? It's not soap, it's not umbrella, it's jewelry. So do those on your own, and I will push the check button right now. Try to do them as quickly as you can, too. Okay, great. Let's move on to the next couple of pages here. So we skip group work, and we go straight to my way. So this is a story, and this guy named Jordan talks about his budget, how he saves money. So read about how he tries to save money, guess the missing words. So go ahead and read through this, guess what the missing words are without looking at the word bank at the bottom here. Food, very, lower, cards, cheaper, bit, time, holidays, fewer, sales, expensive. So take a look at those words down there and fill in the blanks with what you feel is the correct word. Okay. All right, so I'm going to push the check button, and you can listen and check your answers. So here we go. Or just listen. You don't have to look at the words that I highlighted for you. So here we go.
Unit 10, Real Stories. My way.
I have a limited budget, so I'm always looking for ways to save money. One thing I do is collect coupons and reward cards, so I'm always joining store reward programs and collecting discount coupons on my phone. It's a bit of a hassle, but it does make my regular shopping trips less expensive. Another way is choosing the time to go shopping. Everyday food shopping is better done late in the day. That's when stores make prices lower. I used to shop for food on weekends, but not anymore. Late evening is much cheaper. For clothes and big items, I always wait for the sales, usually in summer or during the holidays. A third way is I look out for special sales. My supermarket regularly does 2-for-1 offers on some products. This works well if I can go shopping with a friend. For example, if bread was on sale, I would buy one loaf of bread and get another loaf free. Then, my friend has one, and I have one, so effectively, it is half the price, which is great. Win-win.
All right. So now I'm going to push this. Not yet. Think about the story. Now answer these questions about the story. Question number 1, what is a problem of collecting reward cards and discount coupons? Look up in the text there and write your answer in a complete sentence. Do the same with number 2 and number 3. Complete sentences. This is key, you guys. You want to make complete sentences. Always when it counts, when it's important. For example, if you're doing an interview or taking a test, a proficiency test, you need to show the person who is assessing you or interviewing you that you can make complete sentences. This is very important. So I'm going to push the check button and look over in the box there. You'll see number 1, number 2, and number 3. And there's more than one answer sometimes. Okay, great.